Russell Wilson, defense lead Seahawks to third straight win. Philadelphia, Russell Wilson made enough plays while Seattle's top-ranked defense shut down Chip Kelly's offense. Wilson threw 2 touchdown passes, ran for another score, and the Seattle Seahawks stifled Philadelphia in a 24-14 victory over the Eagles on Sunday. Wilson had 263 yards passing and ran for 48 to help the Seahawks 9-4 win their third straight game. The defending Super Bowl champions have victories over NFC West-leading Arizona 10-3, San Francisco 7-6, and Philadelphia 9-4 in the last 3 weeks. The Eagles host Dallas 9-4, with first place in the NFC East at stake next week. Sherman and Co. held the Eagles to 139 total yards, the fewest under Kelly. Pete Carroll was the winner in his first NFL matchup against Kelly. In the coach's only other meeting, Kelly's Oregon Ducks beat Carroll and USC 47-20 on October 31, 2009. Mark Sanchez, who played for Carroll in college, threw for 96 yards, 2 TD passes, and 1 interception. LeSean McCoy set the franchise record for career yards rushing, but also had a costly fumble that led to Marshawn Lynch's 15-yard TD catch in the third quarter. Lynch had 86 yards rushing, McCoy had 50. McCoy's 4-yard run in the third quarter moved him past Wilbert Montgomery into first place on the Eagles' career rushing list. McCoy has 6,540 yards. The Seahawks were leading 10-7 when KJ Wright forced McCoy to fumble on the first play from scrimmage in the third quarter. Earl Thomas recovered at the Eagles' 19 and Wilson connected with a Lynch 2 plays later.